In this video, we are going to learn how to show the values, the keys, and both keys and values from a dictionary. It's very easy. First, we create a dictionary. We can call it, for example, we can express the values, the keys as IDs for computer and values for names for that computer. So we can call the dictionary computer and assign this literal from a dictionary. Open curly braces and then specify each item. An item is both the key and the value. First, the value. For example, the ID can be 1001 and assign, for example, the string laptop. Then the second computer with the ID 1002 and assign the string literal desktop. That is it. And now the third item with the key 1003 and the value tablet. Okay, that is our dictionary, the dictionary computer. We can show the text representation in the terminal. We can execute, in this case, the print function, and then pass as argument the computer's variable. Okay, and execute the code using the play button. This is our dictionary. There are 3 items with IDs from 1001 and 1003. 3 items. The values are string with names of type of computers. That is okay. And now for each item we can show all the keys, all the values, and both the keys and the values. The first step to complete that task is call from computers the keys function. Open parentheses and execute. Here we can see the 3 keys of that dictionary: 1001, 1002, and 1003. That is okay. And now the values. I will add an extra break line, and now we can execute the values function. Computers dot values, open parentheses, and then execute. These three items are the values: laptop, desktop, tablet. Okay, and finally we can show the both keys and values. Print at this break line, and then call from that dictionary the items function. Items function is instance method. Finally, we execute again the code, and here is the result. We can see a list of tuples. Each tuple has the key and the value, 2 items per tuple. Okay, bye.